Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you a nice production Protech automatic knife. So this will be about the Doru Skull Custom Elishewitz design, black aluminium handles and brush shell design, solid sterling silver skull, DLC blade, plain edge. So being this is a custom blade, so you will see a nice Damascus blade here. You will get a nice pouch. And here is the beauty and the beast. So the custom sterling silver bead or skull inset in the G10 handle. You have a G10 actuating button, and this is a limited run of 40. This is number 16. You have a black hard anodized pocket clip and opens very nicely like all Protechs. Given this is a coil spring design automatic knife, and look at the blade. The blade is astonishing, beautifully done. You almost looks like gold inside the very nicely made pattern. A little bit of a harpoon. You can see all the layers. Beautiful knife. So these are really hard to get, so if you can get one, I recommend to buy one. Protech USA. Yeah. So the overall length is around 8 inches and something. A little bit over 8 inch. So definitely a good EDC style. Not so for my hand because the knife sits a little bit further back. But it's definitely a nice collector's piece. So the custom Doru from Protech. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.